So my name is Tim Blacquier. I'm the COO of Keches Law Group in Massachusetts. AI is going to be so extremely disruptive in a good way and potentially a bad way too. But the positive aspects for the legal sector in particular, like all the documentation, think of a typical file for a case, whether it's a personal injury case or, a big sort of tort case. You've got piles and piles of documentation, which historically was literally in a manila folder. Now, with the digitization of all those files, you're going to be able to use a machine to scan through all those things, find keywords, organize them, rewrite them, summarize them. These are things that took humans, weeks, if not, months to do for a case. So all of that kind of heavy lifting is now going to be put onto AI. So the first hurdle for us in using AI is just getting people to understand how it could benefit the firm, right? So how can we do these things to make you more efficient, to make the firm more efficient, and to take some of these kind of monotonous tasks that have typically plagued law firms and put that burden on the machine. Is the legal industry ready for it? Absolutely not. I think generally the world is not ready for it. OpenAI and ChatGPT is relatively easy for anybody to sign up and start to play around with it, but I still think there's a lot of people who haven't taken that step. Beyond that, some of the other tools, it's a lot more technical, so I think it's generally being adopted by kind of early adopters, technical people in the legal industry, but generally the legal sector is not really where it needs to be just yet. The people who are going to really win with AI are the ones that have a progressive vision, have the resources, both technical and financial, but also, the biggest out of all of those things are a clean repository of first-party data. But when it comes to legal, I think, we have a burden of privacy and security for client data. So making sure that we're using that data appropriately and ethically, and also protecting it the best way we can. So creating kind of that locked walled garden where we can use AI tools and AI services on our own first-party data is going to be amazing.